Hi everyone, today for homework help video, we're going to be doing dividing fractions. So the basic rules of dividing fractions are keep it, flip it, change it. And we'll talk a little bit about more what that means now. So what does keep it, flip it, change it mean? So the basic steps is that you're going to first keep the first fraction as it is. So you're going to completely leave it alone. Then you're going to flip the symbol. So if it's a division symbol, it's going to become a multiplication symbol. Then you're going to change the second fraction. So that means that the numerator and the denominator will switch places. So what was on top will go to the bottom, and what was on the bottom will go to the top. So here's an example. It's easier to just see how we do it. So we can see that the problem is 3/4 divided by 5/6. So now we're going to look at the bullet points. We have 3/4 divided by 5/6. You're going to do 3/4, keep it, times, flip it, 6/5, change it. So now we know how to multiply fractions. You just multiply straight across. So we have 3 times 6, which we know is 18, and 4 times 5, which is 20. So this answer is technically right, but we also know that we have to simplify it. So 18 and 20 can both be divided by 2. So the final answer is 9/10. So you can see that we started with two fractions, and we changed the symbol in the middle and then flipped the final fraction to be ended up with one fraction at the end. Let's try another example. Here we have 7/8 divided by 1/2. So keep it, 7/8 stays the same, times, change the division to a multiplication, 2/1. 1/2 is 2 flipped, but it still makes sense to have the 1, even though the 1 doesn't really mean much. So 7 times 2, we multiply straight across, is 14, and 8 times 1 is 8 by multiplying straight across. So we have 14/8, and like I said, this answer is technically right, but we do have to simplify. So divide them both by 2 again, and we get 7/4. Let's try one more example. We have 4 divided by 7 divided by 2 divided by 3. So 4/7, keep it, that stays the same, times 3/2. Flip it becomes the times, change it is the 3/2. So then we multiply straight across again. We get 12, which is 4 times 3, over 14, which is 7 times 2. Again, we simplify. 12 divided by 2 is 6, and 14 divided by 2 is 7. You have to make sure. I know for multiplication, you can multiply, it doesn't matter which fraction goes first, but in this case, since it's division, the 4/7 or the first fraction needs to be the first term, and the second fraction needs to be the one that's flipped. But after you get it in the correct order and do the correct keep it, flip it, change it, then it's just like multiplication. So that's all for today. Thanks for watching.